Okay, so coming from Anonymous, I have an old SSS ID. Can I upgrade to UMID Pay Card? Ang UMID Pay Card is pwede din siyang gamitin as government ID?
Okay, good question. Kung meron po na old SID card, okay, so pwede naman tayong actually apply to sa UMID Pay Card, no? And pagdating sa, what do you call this, gamitin as government ID, yes, valid na valid po siya. Dual purpose actually, no? Kung meron na tayong UMID Pay Card with ATM functionality, yung UMID ATM Pay Card kasi aside from being a government ID, valid government ID, ito po ay magsaserve as your ano na din, parang ATM para sa savings account ninyo, which again can be used pagdating sa proceeds and benefits application ninyo with SSS. So yung may mga existing UMID card, pwede po kayo mag-upgrade nun. Basta yung capturing ng biometrics ninyo is within not more than 10 years. Kung ang ID na to, however, is yung parang the oldest one that we have, yung wala pang biometrics na ginawa, unfortunately hindi pwede, hindi siya pwede upgrade kasi wala pang ang data capturing noon, walang biometrics na kinuha. And right now, as I've mentioned earlier, wala pa tayong application for initial para sa mga UMID. So parang mangyayari, can upgrade to UMID Pay Card if you have an existing UMID kasi doon meron na tayong data capturing and we've already we got your biometrics na yung mga details na. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Forty, and thank you rin sa question, Anonymous. So let's now proceed to the next question coming from Anonymous ulit. So, good morning. Kakakuha ko lang po ng UMID card ko. If ipapa-upgrade ko po ba, need i-surrender pa yung card? Thank you po at saan po magpapa-upgrade?
Alright, thank you for this good question, no. Na nakakuha na yung UMID card, mag-upgrade. Okay, so pwede siyang unahin ko muna. Doon kayo mag-upgrade yung sa step kanina, you have to go through your my.sss account muna. Under services, click nyo lang po yung upgrade to UMID Pay Card, provide consent para makapag-share kayo ng data dun sa Union Bank and then open kayo ng Union Bank account using the Union Bank app. Now, kung dumating na din yung UMID ATM Pay Card ninyo, sorry, nilito na ako. UMID ATM Pay Card ninyo, hindi naman na kailangan i-surrender yung existing na UMID card ninyo. Thank you.
Oh, thank you rin, Sir Forty, for asking yung question ni Anonymous. So, let's now proceed to the next question coming from Chris. So, wala pa po akong UMID ID. 10 years SSS member na po ako. Okay lang po bang idiretso yung UMID pay card na ako or need talaga mag-apply muna as sa UMID first before siya mag-apply for UMID pay card?
Okay. So, ito yung process natin para maging UMID ATM Pay Card is through providing consent nga sa online. We still have that process. Yun nga, kung wala ka pa rin ID talaga sa ngayon, hindi pa rin makakuha ng ID kasi temporarily unavailable yung data capturing natin para sa UMID. So, standby po muna tayo, wait for an update if kailan mag-resume yung ating data capturing for UMID and makapagpa-ID kayo. And later part, makakuha kayo ng UMID ATM Pay Card. So, ngayon wala pa po ulit yung pagpa-picture, pag-biometrics dun sa UMID card. Thank you.
Okay, thank you rin, sir. So, hopefully, Chris, nasagot yung question mo. So, now let's proceed sa next question. Okay, coming from Edit. So, yung question ni Edit is, hello, mabuting araw po. Ask ko lang po, eligible na po ba ako mag-upgrade ng UMID ATM Pay Card? So, while nasa UB Open account na ako, may message pop up na may info or mismatch, even i-copy-paste na ID, chance, and SS number. So, para di ako magkamali, even correct naman po yung mother's maiden name, I went to SSS branch to check my mother's maiden name info ko, but wala daw silang access. I emailed Usap Tayo and even create message sa Usap Tayo portal. Wala naman po akong response since January 10. Ano po ba dapat kong gawin? Salamat po kung may suggestion kayo.
Okay, so Mag-open na kayo ng account, tapos nagpa-prompt na in mismatch yung details, no? So, first of all, pagdating po sa pag-create ng account, pag naglalagay kayo ng mga details doon, refrain from copying and pasting it doon sa account. You have to type it or key it in manually. Hindi pa dapat copy-paste. You can try that one out. Na manually, what call this, um, i-encode yung mga details ninyo. Now, pagdating sa details, if there is a invalid, no, na details ninyo, you can always update it naman dun through E4 and then have it submitted dun sa nearest SSS office para ma-update yung record ninyo, and after, then tayo makakapag create ng online account. Okay? Doon sa Union Bank para maging UMID ATM pay card. Na para dun sa email ninyo, if you already have emailed this one, January 10, it's the last day of the January na, sigurado sa volume nga naman na-receive natin emails. You can also call our hotline. Meron naman po siguro transaction number yan, or you can call our hotline, provide them your email address para mag-check yung status nung email ninyo sa amin. 81455. Thank you.
Thank you rin, sir. So hopefully nasagot yung question mo, Edith. So now let's proceed to, I think, second to the last question for Sir 40. So yung coming from Anonymous, so yung question niya is, paano po ang gagawin kapag ang nalabas during UMID card upgrade application online is upgrade to UMID ATM pay card is available only for now to UMID card holders whose cards were applied within the last 10 years. An advisory shall be released when application for UMID ATM pay card for other members is available. So, salamat po.
So actually, na-mention na din ito kanina, no, sa umpisa na only those yung with existing UMID na yung capturing nila, yung date is not more than 10 years para makapag-upgrade. No? Date of pag-take ng capturing and biometrics, no, is within not more than 10 years. If it's more than that, you can still use your UMID card, pero hindi pa sa ngayon makakapag-upgrade to UMID ATM pay card. No? So, gagawin nila is, yun, if pagdating naman sa mga benefits ni SSS or loan proceeds, if you have other existing present participant bank, you can enroll it naman doon para yun, ma-receive pa rin yung mga benefits. Okay? So, ayun, talaga sa ngayon, limited pa rin to those, again, within last 10 years. Kung hindi po, or kung lagpas na doon, unfortunately, di makakapag-upgrade to UMID card, UMID ATM pay card, pero you can still use your UMID as valid ID. Thank you.